Saltwater fish are beautiful creatures, but they are difficult to care for. The Salinity Management and Resource Redistribution Tank alleviates the tribulation in maintaining a saltwater fish tank. The SMaRRT system monitors and regulates a saltwater fish tank to reduce the complexity and time invested in managing a saltwater tank. This is done through the use of sensors to measure the three vital factors in a saltwater tank: salinity, pH, and temperature. If the salinity gets too high, additional distilled water is added to the tank to lower the salinity. Oversaturated water is added to increase the salinity. A pump adds alkaline chemicals to the water if the pH decreases too low for the fish to handle, while acidic chemicals are added if the pH increases too high. A program constantly monitors the time elapsed while utilizing a relay to allow the system to turn the lights in the tank on and off, either according to the default or set time. A temperature sensor turns the heater on and off to maintain a set temperature. A water filter is installed to help simulate the environment of the fish tank, as well as add in the circulation of the water and added supplements. The SMaRRT Tank system also utilizes a Raspberry Pi to display a GUI. The user interface is able to display current and historical data, as well as preview and change tank configuration settings.
The first sensor we used was a conductivity sensor because we could use this sensor to measure the salinity of the water. We could use this to measure the salinity of the water because water alone does not conduct electricity. So, if we could find how conductive the water is, we could then find how much salt was in it, thereby telling us the salinity. We also used a pH sensor and a temperature sensor. Using these sensors, we were able to collect data on our Arduino and then send it to our Raspberry Pi for analysis. On our Raspberry Pi, we used leading industry Python modules such as Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib to graph and analyze our data that we collected from the Arduino.